As he ventured deeper into the forest, he stumbled upon an old, abandoned path leading to the outskirts of town. The boy's eyes widened in wonder as he stumbled upon the secretive factory, its chimneys billowing fluffy white clouds into the sky. A friendly stranger, known as Mr. Nimbus, beckoned the boy closer, revealing the factory's magical purpose. The workers toiled tirelessly, their faces etched with concern as they struggled to maintain the delicate balance of weather patterns. Determined to help, the boy immersed himself in the task at hand, brainstorming ideas with his newfound companions. With a spark of ingenuity, the boy discovered a way to infuse the clouds with a special magic, restoring harmony to the skies. Suddenly, a fierce storm threatened to engulf the cloud factory, casting a shadow of fear over its inhabitants. With unity and determination, they braved the tempest, standing as one to protect their precious haven from destruction. As the storm cleared, the skies brightened with renewed clarity, a testament to the courage and resilience of those who defended it. Embracing his role as the youngest apprentice at the Cloud Factory, the boy's heart swelled with gratitude for the journey that had led him to this fulfilling purpose.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos.